Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. We're going to bring you guys something a little bit different today. Pop's underneath the Toyota pick-em-up truck right now, and I think he's got a Sawzall in his hand. Let's see what he's got today. What did you have in mind? You said some exhaust work, so...
Let's change this muffler that goes...
Yeah, I know it leaks.
To something that goes... Vroom. See if we hack it right there.
Okay.
And then maybe take that little doodad off right there, grind that. I just bought the clamps. Makes it so much easier.
Okay. Let it rip.
Need a longer blade. I'm going back now.
Yeah, I mean, she'd have a major exhaust leak. Probably a lot of chattering to boot.
Yeah, I don't want to end up with a Hertz donut.
All I noticed was how the carrier right here, all this rubber was cracking, and I'm like, look at that. I look over and I notice that's coming out. I'm like, what the? All that horsepower. How much horsepower this thing got?
I told you, 1100 horsepower. Time to go pneumatic.
Pneumatic.
There she goes.
Scuba dooba doo. Where are you?
Does.
That'll be good. Yep. Piece of cake.
Yeah, see? Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Oops. Sorry, guys.
Watch out.
Watch out, YouTube.
Aye. There we go. Keep rotating. Keep rotating.
Yeah, you filthy bugger. Let me... OEM stuff just seems to last a long time, doesn't it?
Well, I mean, this is the original exhaust on a how many year old truck?
Oh my gosh, like 30 years? 32 years now?
It's a 91.
33, sorry. I keep thinking it's a 92.
We can put this in here and kind of round it out some.
Okay, let me flip you guys around. All right, so what are we trying to achieve here about?
Just round this out.
Okay.
And we'll put the impact on here and give it some oink.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, it looks
There we go.
better.
I mean, look at that. Look at that in the camera.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I want to see what it sounds like without a muffler.
I think that just woke up another 50 horse. Did it just split right now?
Right there.
Oh no, look at that. Ah, crap.
All the heating and cooling all these years.
Brittle.
It's brittle. I'm gonna have to cut here,
Uh-huh.
and then probably go get a few pieces that can make an S. Oop, out of battery again.
Well, since Pop found this nice pipe here, and it's actually, fit great as far as what we need to connect the existing exhaust and the new muffler, the budget $50 muffler Pop got. I actually honestly thought it was a joke at first, but he's dead serious. This pipe is going to work perfectly because it bridges the gap between the two, and we're going to be able to cut some notches in here. Probably increase this bend right here. Old school, notches, weld it up, get the bends and angles we need, and call it good. You know what we say, let her rip, tater chip. There she go, Lewis. Need a little more. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think that's pretty spot on. Oh, yeah. That's it right there. So for all those at home that may not understand, why is it that you're doing this, Pop?
Gonna get the galvanizing off of here because we're gonna oxyacetylene weld it. And when you weld galvanizing, it produces a toxic gas.
All right, so those are the marks for our second notch. Yeah, to finish up our S.
Yep.
Our S curve, S figure, S the way.
No, not quite.
Yeah, okay. Hopefully this is the last time we gotta spread it.
Mo beta?
That was pretty fast. I had to jump on the camera here right away. That's about 60 seconds right there. Nice. Yeah. Whoa.
She on there.
No, she ain't rotating?
No. She on there now. We'll make do. We'll shove this back. That way the pipe has got more clearance right there.
All right. You want to try it out? Let's see how it sounds without the part coming after the muffler. Hey, Pop, you know, adding that muffler, that ain't 1100 horse now.
Oh, that's probably like 1200.
That's probably like 1175, 12 to the ground now. Easy. Now you be hearing of them Hellcats. Meet the Archangel.
There you go. Run in fear.
Run in fear. Them Hellcats run in fear. All right, enough goofing. Let's go take that part off the exhaust there. Okay, so plan of attack here. Cut this part off, top of the muffler here. Take this, because we got a double hanger situation going on for the top of the muffler, and we need to be able to make sure this thing doesn't droop down too far close to the diff. And we don't think that this is gonna be sufficient enough. I mean, that's down at the end anyways, so I don't think it'll be enough just to have that to hold it up and keep us from drooping down. I mean, it's a good amount of weight, and it's a lot to put on just that one hanger. So it looks like some hacking, slashing, and welding is gonna have to commence.
We can do it right on there like that.
Okay.
You can hear more.
All right, so the curvature of that is actually fitting not too bad at that. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. We should be able to do that, no problem in the vise. That's one way to do it, as long as it doesn't go ping, yeah. Pop right out. From the aerial, we gotta bring that out. Do we have it?
I think.
Much gooder, yeah. I mean, from this angle, it looks great.
Well, hello, Betty. Whee!
What about putting a slight? Let's see here.
Piece of cakey.
Hammer time. I know on one of our previous episodes, we showed you guys quite a bit of welding.
Oh my gosh, my worst today.
Good grief. Quite a bit of welding going on with the border and the retaining wall for our pavers. So with this project, we had to break out the welder too.
WD to the rescue! Can't hold 4 things at once here. Alright, let's take that down and get that welded on there, and then we'll pound everything into place and should be good.
Alright, what do we say? In the name of the Lord. Time to clean some rubber.
Get a little bit of it off.
Yeah, well, we can't get all of it off, right?
Well, we can. Just won't spend enough time.
No, just good enough. She's just a workhorse, that's all. Sound test. All right, little 1,200 horses loose. Give me a rev. She gained some horsepower for sure.
Got a little growl to her. Love it.
Until, actually, I don't know if we've mentioned this before, but until this 3.0 here, this V6 takes a dump, what did you decide on? A V8 for sure, so it's not going to be no 3.4 swap or nothing like that. I mean, that's been done multiple times before. But one thing we were thinking of doing is a
4.6.
about the 4.6, 4.7. I mean, if we could squeeze a 5.7 into this, that I-Force Tundra motor, that'd be great. That'd be a big shoehorn. That'd be about, well, factory, that's like 380 horse, 400 torque, somewhere around there. So that's quite a bit for this little truck. But that's gonna have to do for now. Just a quick little exhaust change. And that's all she wrote. We just had to get that exhaust leak fixed, and unfortunately at the muffler, that's where it was occurring. So, hey, what are you gonna do, right? Gotta get it changed out eventually.
30-year-old muffler.
With a 30-year-old muffler, I mean, it was a matter of time before it took a dump, right? So, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, my name's Alex. There's Pop over there. This is Peepaw's Garage. Thanks you for watching. Sub to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Like down over in the comments. Let us know what you want us to do next, or just what you think of the video. And remember, there is no substitute for good old-fashioned know-how. God bless.